Introduction to Smart Financial Goals.
Setting clear financial goals is essential for budgeting success. The SMART framework helps make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Using this method within budgeting apps can help you track progress and stay motivated. In this tutorial, learn how to apply the SMART criteria step by step to reach your personal finance goals with ease.
Step 1. Make goals specific in your app.
These specific goals are clearly defined and focused. Instead of a general aim like save money, set a clear purpose like save for a vacation. Most budgeting apps allow you to create custom goal categories. Use these features to name your goal, assign it to a category, and describe exactly what you want to achieve.
Step 2. Ensure your goal is measurable.
A measurable goal lets you track real progress. In your budgeting app, enter the exact amount you want to save or pay off. Many apps, such as Mint, YNAB, and EveryDollar, have visual progress bars or trackers. Regularly check these tools to see how close you are to reaching your financial milestone.
Step 3. Check that your goal is achievable.
Achievable goals fit your current financial situation. Use the budgeting app's overview of your income and expenses to determine what's realistic. For example, if you can put aside $100 each month, set your savings goal accordingly. Adjust it if needed to make sure it's challenging but possible for you.
Step 4. Make your goal relevant and time-bound.
Relevant goals support your personal values and priorities. Use your app to align goals with what matters most to you, like debt repayment or building an emergency fund. Set a clear deadline, such as by the end of the year, using your app's timeline or reminder functions to keep you accountable.
Track progress and adjust when needed.
Regular tracking is key to success. Review your progress in the app each week or month. If your situation changes, update your goals amount or deadline. Celebrating small wins in the app can keep you motivated. Over time, using SMART goals with your budgeting app will help you achieve real financial results.